Hey guys, it's Sanskruti and I said next and today's topic is really interesting. Today we are going to discuss about a missile man, APJ Abdul Kalam. So let's begin to today's video. Today I'm going to tell you one interesting story about their life. So let's start. So when he was a little boy, he want to go in a high school. He want to learn. He want to take a good education, but he was very poor when he told to his father. So his father say that, okay, I will send you in the good school, but you have to study hard. So he studies hard and he went at a good schools, a high school, so English medium schools. So after that, he was taking a good studies. He was taking a good education from his teacher from that school. So at the after that, one day he was late, and when he just went at school by running, and he went at another class. He went at wrong class, and in that class his maths teacher was teaching, and he was a very strict. So after that, uh, APJ Abdul Kalam's teacher said, go back at your village. If you are not able to learn in our school, you don't know which class you are. So if you don't find your class, so go back to your village. So after that, he give a punishment to APJ Abdul Kalam in front of whole class. And after that, he felt very bad. Means APJ Abdul Kalam felt very bad. So he just sit under a tree, and he just thinking about his studies and marks and all that. So he also felt very bad. That's why he don't know. He went at a wrong class, and if he thought that if I get up early in the morning, so I maybe I will reach at time and reach went at my right class. So he thought about that, and he decide from that, I will do study hard, and to make my mother and father dream true, my family's dream true. To do this, I will study hard. So he study hard for a day and night, and he after that, when his exam came, he also studied for day and night, and he got full marks in maths, and his dream became a true of the full getting the full marks. So he was very happy, and next day, in assembly, his maths teacher stood up, and he said that, who get punishment from me, it he will become a good person, or he will become a great person. So whole student laugh, and suddenly his maths teacher pointed at APJ Abdul Kalam and that said that look at this boy, and I have punished him, and he got a full marks in my subject, or in maths, or in every subject he got full marks. So who get punishment from me, he will become a great person, or great anything, great man. So he as when he is grown up, so he just started with when he grown up, so he started with playing with his friends, and he liked to sit around the pond, which is in his village, or Rameshwaram. So there are so many geese and ducks, so he just thought that when I fly, he liked to fly that geese, where even his friends are playing, so he just to watch that geese and that birds. So he after when he started grown up, so he get his he find his dream, and he just said he decided that to take a admission in engineering. But he was very poor, so he studied hard to get a scholarship, and he get a scholarship, and he get an admission in MIT college, so for engineering. And when he entered in that engineering college, so he saw that the he saw some fighter planes or various planes in that various planes model in that MIT college. And he dreamed that I have to made such a uh, such a good structure like this. And after just when time passed, so his professor give him a work with four classmates. And when he made a one structure and show to his teacher, so his teacher said that I am not happy with this, you have to do another work and you have to make me happy, because I'm not happy with this is not such a good structure of the fighter plane. We need a good structure than this. So he said that teacher give me just 1 month. So his professor says that no, you doesn't get a 1 month, you get only 3 days. So he said that okay, I will complete my work in 3 days. But after that his teacher said that if you don't complete your work in 3 days, so you have to leave this college, and you have to leave your scholarship also. So he said that a scholarship is my lifeline, and I have to do something for my lifeline. So in 3 days he worked harder in whole day and night. And at a Sunday he completed his work. And after that he feel that someone is standing behind him, and he just turned as behind. So he saw his teacher was looking at his work, and his teacher was very happy by seeing his work. So after that that model came, and he graduated from that MIT college only because of that scholarship. So I hope you like today's story, and I hope you like today's video also, and thank you guys.